Hello everyone, my name is Benjapon Rapimai, a 5th year student from Technology Education Diploma, 5 year of consistent at Suranari Technical College. And today, we are here to present our final year project, the semi-automatic rice packing machine, provided with 4 working stations. Starting with the first working station, weighing and feeding rice. This station has vibrator to feeding rice into the weighing box. Then to the next station, feeding and open bag. This station have 2 cylinders working together to open the bag and fill the rice in. To the next station is seal the package. This station has heated seal to seal the plastic bag ready for the sale. And to the last station, exporting the package, having a cylinder with the air pneumatic gripper to pick up the bag and then exporting out of the machine. To the younger student who might have interest, I'd like to share a few words as a senior about to graduate. For me, studying in this vocational field has not only given me the useful skill, but also the technical knowledge, the inventor's mind, and also the improvement, the drives to improve myself. So, I hope to see a new student, the younger student, to find your passion in this field as well. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you. สวัสดีค่ะ
บ๊ายบาย